welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray. Thank you guys so much for watching. Well, today I just wanted to show you guys how to achieve this mohawk, fro hawk, curl hawk, whatever you guys want to call it, under 5 minutes without using bobby pins or hair ties or anything like that on your short hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this hairstyle, then please keep on watching. Okay, so this is my hair right now. This is a fresh wash and go. I've applied the Curl Max Activator by Lustrasilk as usual and used the gold Ecostyler gel. And I know I filmed a video saying that it was getting cancelled and that I was not gonna use it anymore. I just want to say that I'm really sorry. I feel like I should have done more research, and this is definitely a mistake on my part. And the reason why I decided to go back to the Ecostyler gel is because I don't know if you guys have been watching my latest videos, but I've been using the Shine and Gem instead, black castor oil and flaxseed oil. And the reason why, I decided to go back to the Ecostyler gel was because my hair was getting drier and drier like every single day, and like I didn't know what was going on until I switched back to the Ecostyler gel. And when I was using the Shine and Gem gel, I had to use twice the amount of like moisturizer that I would usually apply, and I was like, okay, this is definitely like a waste of money, and a little bit goes along with this product. So the fact that I had to like apply more than I usually do was kind of weird to me. So I was like, okay, let me actually test it out and let me see if the problem comes from the Shine and Gem gel, and it actually was the case. So yeah, my hair was definitely drier. And also one of my subscribers, thank you so much if you're watching this video, one of my subscribers actually sent me a link to a video explaining how like the Ecostyler gel was not really harmful like that. So I was like, okay, this is perfect, because I feel like honestly my hair loves Ecostyler gel. Like it stays moisturized, like it's so easy to manage and it doesn't get dry at all. And usually when I apply the Lustrasilk moisturizer, like my hair stays moisturized for like 5-6 days, max a week, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like with the Shine and Gem gel, I had to like apply the moisturizer every 2 days, which was pretty weird. So yeah, I'm back. I'm using the Ecostyler gel, and I decided to use the gold this time instead of the black castor oil and flaxseed oil, because I feel like it defines my curl even more, and I feel like I needed my curls to be like more defined for this hairstyle. So yes, I'm gonna try to create a mohawk, and yeah, let's see how this thing is gonna go.
So as you can see, my curls are super defined right now. This is a fresh wash and go. I'm going to take the spray bottle and spray some water on both sides. If you've been watching my videos, you know I always gotta leave some hair for my pigtails. Then once it's out of the way, I'm gonna lay my hair down using this bristle brush. Make sure it's sleek and smooth like so. And grab this side comb to start shaping my hair. And before using it, make sure your hair is fully detangled or it may cause some breakage. I got it from my local beauty supply store, and for each side I'm gonna use 3 side combs, so 6 in total for this hairstyle. And by the way, it's super cheap, like costs less than $2, so definitely get that. And this is something you should definitely get, especially if you do hairstyles like this one, because this side comb saves so much time, and there's no need for you to use anything else other than that, such as like bobby pins or having to section your hair using hair ties. And once I'm done, I'm gonna add some more volume on top using this pick comb, making sure everything is even. Then last step, fix my edges a little bit using the gold Ecostyler gel and a toothbrush.
Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I just wanted to show you guys how to achieve a mohawk without using bobby pins and under 5 minutes. It literally took me like 3 minutes. I just had to like install the side combs, and it slides like perfectly. You just gotta make sure that your hair is tangled or gonna have a lot of breakage. So yeah, like I'm honestly in love. This is new, and I'm really digging it, and I hope you guys do too. Please comment, subscribe, make sure you give it a thumbs up and click on that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. And make sure you follow me on my social media. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye.